Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video in which I'm going to show how to unlock the bootloader on Xiaomi Mi 11 plus how to flash TWRP recovery and how to root the device. Without wasting any more time, first of all you need to download multiple files. First one is ADB folder, then TWRP recovery, TWRP installer zip file and the Magisk zip file. All these files will be linked in the description box below. Download these files from the description box below only and the XDA thread which is linked in the description box below. And huge thanks to the developer who developed the TWRP recovery for the Xiaomi Mi 11. Once you download all the files, keep them in one folder and extract the platform tools zip file which is also known as ADB folder. Once you do that, copy the TWRP recovery file into the platform tools folder which we just now extracted. Now we have to make sure that OEM unlocking is enabled on our device. So unlock your device, go into settings, go into about phone, tap on build number 7 times which is the last option. Once you do that, developer options will be enabled. So go back, go into developer options, enable OEM unlocking over here. If you do not enable OEM unlocking, you will not be able to unlock the bootloader. So make sure you enable OEM unlocking before trying to unlock the bootloader. Once you do that, we need to boot into the fast boot mode or the bootloader mode to enter the command from our and to boot into the fast boot mode, switch off your device. Once the device is completely switched off, hold the volume down button and power button together so that the device will boot into the fast boot mode. Once you see this MI Bunny or fast boot mode over here, attach the USB Type-C cable to your device and another end of that USB cable to your PC or laptop, whatever device you have. Now we need to open command window or Windows PowerShell in the ADB folder which we extracted. So left click in any empty space in this folder, then hold shift button on your keyboard, and when you're holding the shift button, press right click at the same time in any empty space. You will see one extra option as open command window here or open Windows PowerShell. If you see option of Windows command prompt, then that's totally fine. The major difference for us between Windows command prompt and the Windows PowerShell is that your window may look black and my windows may look blue. Commands and functionality are going to remain the same, so just follow the steps which I'm going to show you right now. Write a command which is fastboot OEM unlock and press enter. Your device's bootloader will be unlocked. Now hold power button for few seconds so that the device will boot back into the system and no data will be wiped if you just unlock your bootloader. Let it be Android N, Android Oreo or any Android update. Data will not be wiped on the Xiaomi Mi 11 when you unlock the bootloader. But we need to boot back into the fast boot mode because we have to flash the TWRP recovery, right? So switch off your device once again, hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. The device will boot back into the fast boot mode. Now comes the most important step, and do listen to this carefully. You can't flash the TWRP recovery, it won't work. So you have to boot into that TWRP recovery. How to do that? Simply use the command fastboot boot recovery.img. This command will be linked in the description box below too, so do not worry. Once you boot into TWRP recovery, select swipe to allow modifications over here. Attach the USB cable to your device. MI11's internal storage will be shown on your PC. Now copy the TWRP installer zip file and the Magisk zip file into the internal storage of the device. If you do not want to root the device or you just want to flash TWRP recovery because you want to flash some ROM, then you can only copy the TWRP installer zip file. Make sure you copy both these zip files into the internal storage of the device. Now click on install, scroll down and select the TWRP installer zip file. And now swipe to confirm flash. The TWRP installer zip file will be flashed. Now do not reboot back into the system or do not do anything. Go back, go into reboot and select B over here. Xiaomi Mi 11 is having A/B partition which can be a different video. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. Once you do that, go back, go into reboot once again and select bootloader over here. We need to boot back into the fast boot mode. Once the device boots into the fast boot mode, write the same command which is fastboot boot recovery.img, press enter. The device will boot into the TWRP recovery. Now once again select swipe to allow modifications, go into install, select the TWRP installer zip file and select swipe to confirm flash. And this time you have successfully flashed the TWRP recovery file. If you want to check whether TWRP recovery is installed or not, you can go into reboot and select recovery over here. the device will boot back into the system. If you would have done the same thing when we flashed the TWRP installer zip file earlier, the device would not have booted back into the TWRP recovery. If you want to root the device, then go into install, scroll down and select the Magisk zip file, which will be linked in the description box below and which we copied earlier into the device, and select swipe to confirm flash. Once the zip file is flashed, you can go back, go into reboot and select system over here. The device will boot back into the system, and let me tell you that no data will be wiped when you root your device, which is an awesome thing in my opinion. But if you want to flash any Oreo ROM, you will have to wipe the data on your device. So that's a different topic for a different video, so we are not going to talk about that. Now you have to make sure that you install the Magisk Manager APK file in order to enable the root access. If you do not install the Magisk Manager APK file, the root access will not be detected. So install the Magisk Manager APK file, and if you want to check whether the device is rooted or not, you can install the root checker application too. Once you do that, open up the Magisk Manager app which we installed just now. It will show that Magisk is installed properly and things like that. If you click on safety net check, you can see that safety net check is passed to, meaning you can use Pokemon Go application or any banking application on this device without worrying about the root access. Now go back, go into root checker application, click on verify root over here, and as it is asking for super SU permission, that means the device is rooted successfully. And yes, we have rooted the Xiaomi Mi 1 based on Android version 7.1.2 or Android Nougat successfully, and this method will most probably work on Android O, but do check the description box once before you follow this particular method on Android O. If the method changes for Android O, then I'll make a different video showing you guys how to root the Android Oreo on the Xiaomi Mi 1. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have the Xiaomi Mi 1 and if you rooted the device successfully by following this method, or if you want me to do many more videos such as ROM videos and many other videos, then do subscribe to the channel, because those videos are going to come real soon and you don't want to miss those videos. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.